everybody. It is indeed a sad day. With her questionable lifestyle, she finally blew out her bunghole.
Bunghole!
Now what I mean by that is she blew out the bunghole for her O2 sensor off of the right side exhaust. Now, bunghole is an industry term, so don't get mad at me. But never fear, what we're going to do today is fix it with this. This is a new bunghole. And we are going to attach this by harnessing positive and negative electrons, and we are going to liquidize processed molten iron ore to put it in place. That's right, we're going to weld it. First thing we need to do is get the girl's chassis up in the air, look underneath her, and see what we got. Alright, so this is where the crime occurred. And you can see this is the O2 sensor. I've already tried to make a putty repair with exhaust putty. It only lasted a day or two before it blew right back out. And it goes up here. Let's see if I can get to it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it goes in there. So anyway, let me get this O2 sensor out because we're not putting it back in. It's been exposed to the elements. It's likely no good anymore. So I'm going to take it out. The new bunghole came with a plug that we'll put in place for now. Yes, she will have a check engine light, but yes, we will also put a new oxygen sensor in later. Okay, I had to ditch the new GoPro because I don't have a mount for it yet for tripod. So I'm going to use the iPhone here, and I'm going to show you I have to clean up the area where the O2 sensor mounts, clean up that area really well so that I can weld that new bung in. So we are now going to attempt to weld by camera. It's certainly going to be ugly, but we're hoping that it's going to be functional. And I'll probably use putty to fill in any holes that I can't get to, because there are some places where I just can't get the MIG gun. Alright, we're going to give her a little brush down here, and then some very high heat temp paint. Now this is just a stopgap measure till the spring when I can get the whole catalytic converter for this and do it the right way. This is just going to get us by until then and pass inspection with no leaks. I need a close quarters paint can. Don't have one. Oops. Wrong direction. Well, that should be good enough. This is the before, and this is after. Alright, she's got a new bunghole and she's ready to party. Hank's glowing green because I have his hat. So I guess it's time to end this video. So please like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends, and I'll see you next time.